Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout, just my trade journal, rule-based price action trading. My daily affirmation, I see it and understand. Rigid discipline in rules, flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And I've got a special edition, price action order flow levels for the weekend. I'm anticipating how my August transitions to September, and it's all about how you leave or quit August. Because regarding expert poker pros, they're better at making quitting decisions or exit decisions than their opponents, which is all you need to win. And that comes from the book Quit, The Power of Knowing When to Walk Away from Annie Duke. Love that. And how you enter begins September. You're designing your trade plan, so that's what I'm doing. I'm planning my exit, planning my entry into September. 4 key facts. We've got a Labor Day holiday shortened week, 4 consecutive weekly lower highs in the ES Mini, S&P 500. We just ended with the largest premium wick on the last weekly candle, and the Fed is still hawkish on rates. That's basically what's driving my plan on quitting August sooner rather than later, and how I want to enter financially and mentally into September. Okay, baseline 5. It's been a minute since I've done this one. U.S. Treasury 2-year 5078 as of Friday's close, and the 10-year 4.231. And again, we've been inverted on this short-term yield curve since July 2022. So that's something to note as we close out August. In the yellow gold circle, we've got volatility 15.68, almost a 9% decrease on Friday, and crude oil comes in at 80.05, and look at that dollar, 104.19 on how we closed Friday. That's an important note on the baseline 5 on how we're going to close the final days of August. Next slide. So the last thing I'll leave you with on this weekend study is the weekly higher time frame chart. So I've got on the left a naked weekly chart, and on the right annotated. So I'm going to study when Monday Globex opens. Number one, I'm in no rush, maybe 1 to 2 setups max for next week, and I'm going to just study the levels first on the weekly chart. I'm going to look at that premium wick on the last candle on the far right edge and see where price opens at in Asia and Europe and RTH for Monday. And once you know what you're looking for on your setups, it's pretty easy to know where the highest probability is. So I'm sticking to my model. Once you know your trade model, you're going to know what to look for on the setup. And once you know your setup, it's all about rule-based trading. And rule-based trading is not just the price setup, but also the time setup. So that's my plan. Stay tuned for my Monday video where I'll go over where we're at for Europe, Asia, and how it's looking on the lower time frame setups. I really appreciate my loyal subscribers, and for those of you that are new to the channel, thank you so much for your view, and hopefully you can subscribe and support the channel. Aloha and take care. Bye-bye.